want, huh? It's gonna burst like fire and your head's gonna pop out. Let's get started. Hey, Amayaa, let's go play. Adventures calling every day. First thing you need is a plastic bottle, and my mom cut it out for me. Safety first. Then we need baking soda, which my mom bought again. She just keeps scaring me. We have a tray here that we're gonna put there so the water's gonna spill out. First, we're gonna add the baking soda into the bottle. Yes. And maybe I'm gonna try the volcano one as well, so I'm gonna do one there as well. Okay, I'm gonna add a squirt of this. Then we're going to add red or orange for coloring. I'm gonna add both. Oh, that looks cool. Now we're gonna add some acid, but if you have vinegar, you can use that too. But this is not from the belly, so no. This looks like salt. Oh, I guess when you add the warm water, it's gonna burn.
Got it?
Now we just need to do it in this
A
one.
little bit in that one.
Now we're going to add the warm water. I'm so scared, guys.
Let's count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Whoa!
The floor is
Lava! At this little bubble. Look at that, guys. If you guys squeeze it, you don't have to add that. Just squeeze it. It's all over me. Let's scoop it up. Scoop. Oh. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science experiments.